Yes. So what means how did the spread of, okay, so the first war of Indian independence started in the year 1857. How did it spread? How did it start? We have seen. How did it spread to the other regions of India? That we have to study first. So it started in Barakpur. Barakpur is a small village in West Bengal. Okay. So here the soldier called Mangal Pandey, what did he do? He shot dead a British officer who forced the Indians to use that Royal Enfield gun. The officer who arrested his co-soldiers. So that officer was shot dead by Mangal Pandey, and that's why Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged. Okay. So in this way, in Barakpur, the first war of Indian independence started. Then it spread to Meerut. Okay. So Meerut, it is a place near Delhi, somewhat 16 kilometers away from Delhi, this Meerut. So here what happened, when the soldiers were forced to use the Royal Enfield gun, okay, they protested, and when few of them were arrested, other soldiers, they broke the prison there. Okay. So Indians had got the belief that, okay, Indian soldiers knew that they were in large number in the British army. So they knew that they were more in number than the British soldiers. And so they knew that if they fight unitedly, they could defeat the British. That fact was known to whom? The soldiers of Indians. So that is why here in Meerut, what did they do? When few of them were arrested, they broke the prison there and they released the imprisoned soldiers. So in this way, in Meerut, okay, the revolt spread to Meerut like your what forest fire. Then what happened? From Meerut, the soldiers, okay, from Meerut, many soldiers, they came to Delhi. And they entered Red Fort. You know, no, Red Fort, the fort which was built by whom? Who remembers who built Red Fort? Anybody remembers who built Red Fort? Nobody remembers. I'll give you a clue. It was a Mughal ruler. It was a Mughal ruler. Yeah. Kripa.
Shah Jahan.
Exactly, it was Shah Jahan, okay, son of Jahangir. Shah Jahan built Red Fort, no? Now also it is very important government office, okay? One of the important government offices of India, this Red Fort. It is from this Red Fort, the Prime Minister of India speaks to Indians on the day of independence, right? You remember, no children? So here, this Red Fort, okay, at that time also it was a very important government office. The soldiers who came from Meerut to Delhi, no, they entered Red Fort and they declared the Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II as their ruler. Okay, they declared that Bahadur Shah II was their ruler. Then what happened? Slowly again the revolt spread to Kanpur, and there the leaders were Nana Sahib and Tantia Topi. Okay, who were the leaders? Nana Sahib and Tantia Topi were the leaders. Then from Kanpur, the revolt led to Lucknow. Here, Begum Hazrat Mahal was the leader in revolt of Lucknow. And finally, from Lucknow, the revolt spread to Jhansi. Okay, here you all know that the leader was Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. See children, what happened? The revolt did not spread, okay, or the revolt did not start in all these places at a time. That was the main problem, okay. See, in the beginning, revolt spread in Barakpur. British were powerful, they had got strong army, so they suppressed the revolt in Barakpur. Then what happened? Revolt spread in Meerut, okay. But in Meerut, revolt did not continue. The soldiers, they came from Meerut to Delhi. Okay. So very easily the British could. Okay. They suppressed the revolt in Meerut. Then in Delhi also they revolted. After the revolt was suppressed in Delhi, so at that time the revolt started in Kanpur. Okay. So that is why British could easily suppress the revolts. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it would have been very difficult for the British to suppress the revolts, but it did not happen like that. So in different places, okay, at different times the revolt started. Okay, yeah. See, Kanpur, the leaders were Nana Sahib and Tantia Topi. So after the fall of Kanpur to British, this Tantia Topi, he went to Jhansi to support Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. They captured Gwalior. Okay, so this Jhansi, Gwalior, all these places are located in Madhya Pradesh. So here this Lucknow and Kanpur, they are located in Uttar Pradesh. So Lucknow as well as Kanpur, they again fell into the hands of British. So in this way, the first war of Indian independence, it spread to many regions of India. The main problem here is it did not start at the same time. Okay, so this is about the spread of the first war of Indian independence. Now children, what were the reasons for the failure of first war of Indian independence? Means why did Sipai Mutiny fail? Why the expected result Indians could not get? Okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there was no proper plan. ಹೌದಾ? So there was no communication. So between the leaders, among the leaders, there was no proper communication. If Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, if Begum Hazrat Mahal, if Nana Sahib Tantia Topi, Bahadur Shah, Mangal Pandey, if they had all planned together and started, okay, the revolt together, then it would have been difficult for the British. But what did they do? They did not do anything like that. There was no proper plan. So it was one of the main causes for the failure of first war of Indian independence. No proper plan. There was no proper organization. Okay, organization skill was not there among the Indian leaders. So that was the important cause for what children? The what? Revolt. The reasons for the failure of the revolt. Now, first one is another point here. The revolt did not spread to whole country. Okay, so India is a very large country. You know, India is the 7th largest country, and here this revolt spread. You can see only in few places of North India. In South India, it did not spread at all. Okay, see Barakpur, West Bengal, Meerut, North India, Delhi, North India, Kanpur, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Jhansi and Gwalior, northern part of Madhya Pradesh. So the revolt did not spread to whole India at that time. If the revolt started in whole India, then they would have defeated British. But it did not happen like that. So this was the reason for, one of the reasons for the failure of the first war of Indian independence. Then see here children, intention of the revolt was to protect the interest of few people. Okay, what was the intention of the revolt? To protect the interest of few people. Getting liberation for India, getting independence for India was not at all the aim. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೀಡರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರವರದ್ದೇ ರಾಜ್ಯ, ಅವರವರದ್ದೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದ ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ only few people. See, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, she did not think about India. Okay, so she was hurt because of doctrine of lax policy. Her adopted son had not got right over the throne, right? So to protect his interest, to protect the interest of her small kingdom Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai fought, right? So Nana Sahib or Tantia Topi or Bahadur Shah II, even our soldiers, at that time's interest, to protect that interest, the war was fought. Getting independence for India was not at all the aim. Okay, so it was also one of the causes for what? The failure of first war of Indian independence. Then children, the third one, see, no unity among the Indians. Okay, Indians were not at all united. ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಹೈದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೋ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮರಾಠರು ನಿಜಾಮ್ರು ಯಾರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗಿದ್ರು? ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದಾ? ಮರಾಠ ನಿಜಾಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ there was no unity among Indians, but the British were united. The British soldiers were united. There was no unity among the Indians. So this was another cause for the failure of 1857 revolt. Then, no proper direction and leadership. There was no single leader. Yaro obbama leader. So they had declared Bahadur Shah II as their leader, no, in Delhi. But there were many leaders. See here, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai was one of the leaders. Hazrat Mahal was one of the leaders. Nana Sahib, Tantiya Topi. In this way, there were many leaders and there was no proper direction. Yaro one single mansha correct agi hige agbeku anta plan ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯುದ್ಧದ ತನಕ ಗೆಲ್ಲಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್. Then next one is lack of discipline among the soldiers. The soldiers were not disciplined. Okay, so again, how the lack of discipline among the soldiers, it resulted to the failure of 1857 revolt. That we will see in the next point. Okay, then many kings remained loyal to the British. See, very unfortunate children. Many kings, they remained loyal to the British. They did not support Indians. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? Few kings of India, they told it to the British. They supported the British. They gave their army, maybe the kings like Hyderabad Nizam. Okay, so they supported whom? The British. In this way, it also became one of the causes for the failure of 1857 revolt. Then see here, the soldiers looted Indian common people. Soldiers ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಮೊದಲು ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಗನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜೋರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದೇ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್. So far, at least, okay, a small amount they got in salary, right? For their livelihood, at least a small amount was paid to them by the British East India Company. So now what happened? They revolted against British East India Company and they declared this Bahadur Shah II as their leader. But was he a strong leader? Was he prosperous? Was he wealthy? No. Hauda? Bahadur Shah II was one of the weak rulers of Mughal Empire. So he did not have leadership quality. He did not have any wealth to pay salary to the soldiers. ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸಿನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಲೈವ್ಲಿಹುಡ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. He did not have what amount? He did not have money to pay the salary to the soldiers. The soldiers who got at least a small amount from British East India Company, now they have become jobless. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಉಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? They started to loot the common people of India. So that's why, and also they committed many crimes. They committed many crimes. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಊಟವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವೋ, they killed them. Okay, they committed many crimes there. They exploited the common people. That's why what happened? The common people, they lost faith in Indian soldiers. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಸೊ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೇತ್ ಇನ್ Indian soldiers. So they also stopped helping Indian soldiers. In this way, all these things, I have written some 7 to 8 points here on the board. All these things became the reasons for the failure of Sipai Mutiny or 1857 uprising. See here, the first war of Indian independence is called by different names. First war of Indian independence, Sipai Mutiny, 1857 revolt, then 1857 uprising. So you can expect a question in any of these names. Okay. So in this way, the 1857 revolt, it failed because of all these reasons. Do you have any doubts, Akshay? Can you recall the points? What was the first cause for the failure of 1857 revolt?
Revolt did not spread all over India.
Exactly. The revolt did not spread all over India. Next, Neeraj. Neeraj? Jivan? Make it fast. Jivan? Yeah, Jivan. What was the second cause? The points are written on the board. Sinchana Dibat. Neha V. Hegde. Neha V. Hegde.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the second cause for the failure of 1857 revolt.
Intention of the revolt was to protect the interest of few people.
Getting?
Independence was not the aim of the revolt.
Yeah, exactly. Then, see children, within 5 minutes, within 3 minutes, I think, the meeting is going to end. And that is why what shall we do? Let us end the meeting here and we'll join very fast with the same link.